Everyone, welcome back. Today I will be giving you a hands-on demo of AWS Amazon Q. It's a new AI-powered assistant tool that helps you with the Amazon query, CLI command, and troubleshooting perspective. All right, it's a very quick one. I will be showing you some real-world examples so that you can start using Amazon Q effectively. So let us just jump on. So to start, log into AWS console, and if you see my screen, I'm in that AWS console, and it is in the EC2 view right now, right? I click on EC2. So what you need to do, you have to go right top, and if you see my cursor, it's Amazon Q. You just need to click it. So once you click that, a window will come on the right side, and then you can start using it. But maybe first time you need to just click on enable, and you have to enable it to start using it. Now, let me take you how it will help in the real world. So for example, I wanted to go with the best practices. So I wanted to check the document. So what I will do, I'll just write here, what are the best practices for securing an EC2 instance, right? So let me just type it here, right? So once I add or I respond, basically it is checking the whole documentation for AWS perspective, and it is giving that result in a few minutes, right? So now you see the result, right? So it's coming. Okay, cool. So it is giving you you should be part of the IAM policy, IAM rules, and all this, list of the action which generally secure the EC2 instance. It's very quick. You don't need to go to any other document or maybe even ChatGPT, right? Generally, we go to generative AI and we check all this best practices. So basically, it's integrated with the generative AI and especially with that AWS data perspective. So anything you ask with AWS, it will give you the reply very quickly. Now, the second case I will see, list my EC2 instances, right? So let us see what happens. So for example, if you have 1,000 of EC2 instances and you wanted to basically check particular instance, you just give the instance name and it will give you the result. For my case, I had 2 testing instances, so I have just given the list my EC2 instances. So now if you see, you get a actual count where it tells you, we have a 2 EC2 instance, and these are the list of the EC2 instance. Even you can just click that and you can go inside of that EC2 instance. Now, let me write another use case where how many S3 bucket and list them here. So what it is doing right now, it is basically checking the whole backend, and it is actually reflecting the whole, the resources, what is running in the cloud, and it is giving the result. And it's very accurate result. So if you see, these are the, total 8 S3 resources it found. And you see they have listed here also, right? So these all are listed as a bucket here. Now, let me give you another use case, like you can ask how many block disk. So it's generating the answer. Let us wait. And you know what? As a cloud architect or a cloud engineer, when you have a very large environment and you wanted to just get a specific data, it's really hard to filter it out and get it. Now, this is a inbuilt capability by the AWS, where you get what you are asking for, right? Excellent service. So you see here, right? 2 overall block disk, which it has identified. And if you see here, these are the disk which is reflecting here, right? So it's really very effective integration, and it is really helping all of the cloud profile where they are working every day to get this kind of data. For example, now you have any issue with your tenancy, and you wanted to check it out. So you can also write, okay, for example, if we have a Lambda function timeout, right? So we will just write, why is my Lambda function timing out? And just ask. So basically, it checks everything in detail and it gives you the result where you can actually dig down more to isolate those kind of issues. And this is really adding overall value to the AWS portfolio, and this service is really helping every day, as a administrative perspective. Now it is giving you the details about that, and it is giving you that what exactly you need to do and what you can troubleshoot and how you can proceed further. So this is all about Amazon Q, and if you found this video is very useful, then please like and comments and subscribe for more AWS hands-on content. And let me know in the comments how would you use the Amazon Q in your AWS workflow. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.